Alrighty, everybody, it's Michael Walter here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can go ahead and submit an estimate via text to your clients. So it's all spelled out, there's no misunderstandings, and you can hammer them out faster in your spare time. So let's just say I roll up on the job site. I'm going to go ahead and start filling out my paperwork while I'm in my car. So we're going to go Jane Smith is my client, 123 Main Street, Cleveland. So I'm in there, I'm doing the measure. Let's just say, to keep the math simple here, we're gonna do 3 12 by 15 rooms that Jane Smith wants an estimate for vinyl planking on. Let's do a vinyl plank deal here. So we got that, we got bedroom 1 she would like. We're gonna go ahead and do bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 is not gonna have a closet on it, not that that matters, but we're just gonna keep the drawings good. And then we're gonna go ahead and do a small living room as well. Tile here. I'm gonna do a threshold, and this is gonna be the living room, bedroom, bedroom. All right, each of these rooms are gonna be 12 by 15, 12 by 15, 12 by 15. Now, when you're doing estimates for vinyl planks, things like that, there's a lot more moving parts involved. So a lot of times it's easier if you don't have the time to give them an estimate on the spot. Just let them know you're gonna submit an estimate. As soon as you get home, you have time to break it down and itemize everything so nothing gets overlooked while you're doing this. But let's break this down. I'll show you how I get down and do this here. So each one of these rooms is a 12 by 15. To keep things simple, it's 180 square feet per room. Now each room, vinyl plank and installation, let's call it $5 a foot, kind of a good standard across the board there. So each room is gonna be $900. So we could do bedroom, 180 square feet, 900 at $5. $5, and then we'll do the living room, 180 square feet at $5, $900 per room, so total $2,700 for material and installation. But we got a couple other factors we have to add in here. The next one, slide this up a little bit so we don't run out of room. There's going to be carpet in each one of these rooms in this scenario, so we got to do carpet removal. Now, if we're doing carpet removal and reinstalling carpet, we typically charge $2 per square yard. But when you're doing a carpet removal for a vinyl plank installation, you have to be more precise with your removal. You got to get all the staples out. You got to get the tack strip out. You got to make sure you're not overlooking everything and that the floor is nice. So we actually double our removal rate. So at $4 per yard is what we charge. And each one of these rooms is 20 yards. So we got 20 yards at $4 a yard per room. That's $80 per room, or $320 for 3 rooms. So we got $320 for that aspect, but then there's furniture in each room. And we charge $2 per yard. So we're gonna do furniture removal. Three rooms. It's going to be $120 for that. And then last we have, we're going to do quarter round molding. We're going to assume the baseboards are white. We're just going to do a cheap white quarter round molding to finish off the edges so we don't have to pop any baseboards or trim boards or anything. So we're going to do quarter round. 3 rooms. Now our total for all 3 rooms there is going to be $324 for that. So this is exactly how I submit it here. So the client can review it and say, well, what if I did the carpet removal, the furniture removal, I could save this much here. But in cases like that, just remember, and if you've been doing this a long time, let them know that if they do the removal themselves, they have to have it pristine. Because if you got to pop staples and things like that because they did half-ass work, shoddy work, then you know that costs you time. So a lot of times they'll just agree to have you do the whole package. But then at the very bottom, you just let them know. How did I forget how to spell there? That's exciting. Whole package. I'm running out of film here. Here we go. For everything combined will be 34, 64. You just circle that so it's up. So we got everything. Boom. So that's how you could submit the estimate there. And then you just take your phone, you snap a shot of this, text it over to them, or email it to them. This saves you a tremendous amount of time, and everything is spelled out for them. So, you know, we used to do text messages, but some people have Android, some people have iPhones, and the Android to iPhone scenario, it could come through scrambled up. Email, I just hate emailing people. I like doing things through text, so we just draw it all up. We snap a shot, send it over, and 90% of the clients are all the way good with it. Everybody agrees, and you just let them know, hey, if you don't understand any of this, feel free to reach out and I'll walk you through it. We'll be good to go. So for more tips and tricks like this, be sure to subscribe, comment below if you have any questions. I will create a video answering your question for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video.